Chapter 2: Living and Non-Living Things. Warm up. Have you seen your pics when you were 2 years old? Now you are big and have more weight. You grow because you are alive. There are other things also which are growing like you. Tick the things which are growing. Let's start. Living and non-living things. In this world, there are many types of living and non-living things. For example, human beings, animals, insects, plants, and trees are all living things which have some special features. All living things need air, water, and food to survive. There are few similarities among various kinds of living things. Things that do not have life are called non-living things. Chair, table, book are non-living things. Human beings breathe through their nose. Features of living things. Living things need air to live. Air is a mixture of many gases. One of them is oxygen. Oxygen is required to breathe for all living things. All living things breathe in various ways. Leaves breathe through stomata. Earthworms breathe through their skin. Fish breathe through their gills. Human beings and animals breathe through the nose. Some animals, like the earthworms, breathe through their skin. These earthworms make the soil fertile. Some aquatic animals, like fish, tadpole, etc., breathe through their gills. They use oxygen dissolved in water. Plants breathe through tiny openings called stomata. Stomata are found on leaves. Some plants also have stomata on their stems and roots. Various uses of water. Living things need water for different purposes. All living things need water for different purposes. Human beings need water to drink, bathe, wash, etc. Animals require water to drink and bathe. Plants require water to make food. They also require water for evaporation. Living things need food. All living things take food to gain energy. Plants are the only things that can prepare food with the help of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, minerals, etc. Leaves prepare food for plants, and the process of preparing food is called photosynthesis. Plants also need food to grow. Sunflower turns towards sunlight and prepare food from sunlight. All human beings and animals depend on plants for their food directly or indirectly. Sunflower, human, cow, dog, plant. Living things can move. All living things have different types of movements. Human beings can move from one place to another for many purposes. Animals move from place to place in search of food and shelter. Birds have wings to fly and feet to walk. And plants cannot move directly from one place to another, but show various types of movements. All living things grow. Horse, birds, child. Interesting facts. Plants also breathe and prepare food. The plants prepare food from water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. All living things are born, become adult, grow old, and die. You can note down many changes during the period of growth. Seeds become plants, and some plants grow further and become trees. All living things have young ones. All living things give birth to their young ones to maintain their race. All human beings and animals like dog, cat, horse, elephant, giraffe, cow, etc. give birth to young ones. Living things that give birth to young ones are called mammals. Birds, insects, fish, turtle, etc. lay eggs. After some time, their young ones come out of the eggs. Plants grow from seeds, but some plants also grow from stems. Vocabulary. Similarities. A characteristic that people or things have that makes them similar. Photosynthesis. The process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their own food. Hatching. To come out of an egg. Recap. All living things need air, water, and food to survive. Plants require water to make food. All living things have different types of movements. Living things that give birth to young ones are called mammals.